You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these words and more confusing vocabulary many get wrong in English. Stay tuned to the channel, loads to learn here in British English. It's said as autumnal or autumnal. Stress on that tum syllable. Autumnal. In American English, it's usually said as autumnal. Autumnal. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.